Hey guys, it's Singer. Recording now. So I made this family. Good. I made this cute little family. It's cute. Okay, let me introduce them to you. This one is Cameron. She's so cute. And yes, it's a girl. I named the girl Cameron because I thought it's cute. It's a cute name. And over here, this is Jerry. I just randomized the name. I didn't know if it was female or male, because I didn't check. So this is gonna. Please go, Jerry. We won't fight, okay? It will be okay. And this one is Lulu. Yes, I'm for sure this one is a girl because I think I did check this one. But yeah. And then here is Meow Meow. I thought that was the cutest thing to name. It's her, him, yeah. And then over here is the father, and his name is Ryland. And then we have Sally, and then that's Bob. Okay, I just had him pick a name. So, and then there's Coco. I think I got all of them, right? Right? I think I got all of them. I think we are missing a few things that they need. Like they need a food bowl. Not the people. No. That would be wrong. Here we do. Where should we put the food bowl? I think we should just put it here. So this is too long. We can do yellow. Yeah, yellow's not a bad color. And then the cat needs a litter box because how are they gonna go to the bathroom? Alright? Like, I gotta use the bathroom. I think I'm just gonna put. Oh my gosh, that's so dark. Okay. We just need some light. Girl. Okay, where should I put this? Is a very. And no, I did not. I did not build this house. I got it from the I forgot what you call it, but so, cause I was like, no, I'm not building a house, cause my house is stuck. So my houses are so bad. I just need to practice more. I feel like, yeah. I think, you know what? The cats can go too fast. Like, I got nowhere to put it. Okay, here we go. I can't rotate it. Why can't I rotate it? Ah! Okay. There we go. I've been having trouble with my computer. So So yeah. And when it turned on, which sucked because I couldn't do nothing about it. And now it's finally working. Nobody fixed it or anything. I just needed some time. Ooh, what? I have eyelash in my eye. And I think we're good. Wait, give me some toys. No, that's okay. Unless we do have kids. Okay. And I don't have kids in real life. Thank gosh. Okay. We're gonna put it down because why not? Because it probably doesn't have room, singer. I'm trying to find a place because I am terrible, and I should have done this off of camera. Let's just put it right here because. Ooh, this is you know, they should have it down. You know what I'm gonna do? This is how I think in Sims. Wait, that sounded like sometimes you breathe in like your cough. It just doesn't sound good. There we go. We good. Okay. So this is going to be for the cats and dogs. So, oh my gosh, I'm happy. That's the first timer. Okay. There we go. Well, bam. Oh my gosh, I'm new. How do you put that down? Oh. Here. I think I got it. I think I fixed it. I hope it. I don't think I did. I'm the big new feathers. Why? I'm big, but how do you? I think it's that, right? Hey? I'm a big noob. I don't know anything. No. What the hell? I'm getting a little bit frustrated. See, I don't know how to make houses. This is the problem that I have. Girl, I cannot get this. I can't. I don't know. Let's just make it downstairs. This is okay. Okay. We are gonna have it here. Okay. Oh, we gotta do I forgot we gotta do this is good. This house, like, girl. No, I don't want it there. Do I have to do it this way? No, I cannot turn. Why can I not turn? There we go, much better. It took a long time. Okay, there we go. Let's have 2 steps. I don't know even what this looks like. Okay. That's good. Ooh, like we could have a fence. Ain't nobody. Okay, so I'm seeing it. No, this is. That's okay. Wait, do they have flower? They have flower ones! Okay. I'm so obsessed. There we go. There we go. And if you question, have I killed my Sims? I would say, I'm losing my voice. Okay, sorry. Yes, I killed my Sims before. Okay, don't blame me. It took a long time to kill my Sims, to be honest. Sorry, I got off track. Yes, I did kill my Sims before because I didn't want them and I wanted to kill them. I sound so evil. I sound just so evil right now. Yeah, I killed my Sims before. There we go. And I played this game for, let me think. For sure. I'm just gonna guess the years. I think I played this game for. I think I played this game for 2 or 3. Or I'm mistaken. I think 3 years I played this game. Like I said, I don't know. I'm a big noob. So I'm going to end this video off here because it's the morning and I don't know, I'm tired. Yeah, I'm tired. I'm probably gonna do this off camera. And yeah, subscribe and like, and bye!